AMC pumped in after hours almost 100%. We already discussed this price action in our Patreon Power Hour Hunt before the market closed by a few minutes when we'd said this.
So watch out, AMC doing a really crazy thing here because we are accumulating. Breakout from the $4.59, have a huge bump. AMC, every time, if it jumps 100% or more.
And guess what? We went until our profit taken around, the $8.49. See that we hit the $8.73. We have to discuss in today's video why the price jumped and why the price dumped for ape. Before, every time we have a pump, we have a dump. We have a pump and dump. But this time we have to confirm that we have a huge squeeze. If we have a new support, we're gonna confirm it today. So let's dive in and talk about AMC. What happened, guys? What's happened? It was a really great hunt for us. That's why we always do Power Hour before the market close, hunt for mini stocks and crypto and our Patreon because of this reaction. Every time we have a huge news coming up or some thing going on before the market close on Friday. After we talk about AMC, the price pumped because of this news. AMC stock surge as judge blocks ape share conversion. Guess what? The price got shorted. It's not even by short seller, but people who hold an AMC, they closed their position on ape and just bought AMC. And the good strategy is we could actually buy AMC and Momo. You know why? Because you can win 15 free stocks and AMC one of them. And how you win AMC on the other stocks is really easy. You just deposit $100 in order to win those stocks. The link in comment section below if you want to win those 15 free stocks. And this is an exclusive offer that will end at the end of this month. We have a few days left. As we said, the $6.09 should be our reversal zone, and the bottom around the $4.59. The breakout and resistance to confirm another squeeze is around the $8.73. So we have to watch out. We don't want to have the same reaction that happened before, a huge bump then dump, huge bump then dump. Let me just show you how much we did back in the 2022 in May. We did almost 200%. Then the price gave up after a few days. So now we have to confirm that the price will continue higher by holding the $6.09 and the bottom around the $4.59, breaking the $8.73 to go toward the $12.59. This will be a good confirmation. This buying pressure, it wasn't by retail trader, but by the market maker insider as well. So we have to confirm that. And if we go for ape, we have to discuss where the price entry for ape after this huge selling pressure. See what happened. A huge selling pressure, then a huge wick. I think buy limit order was triggered when we hit the bottom price. For my opinion, for ape is around here, around the 64 cents, and the price closed over the $1. So the good reaction is for ape closing after hours over this ascending channel. So we have to watch out for one reaction for ape for confirming entering for ape trade because we have panic selling after this news. So we have to confirm if the price will reverse or not. First signal is holding over this ascending channel. The second signal is if we open below this ascending channel, we have to hold over the $1.18. So if we held over the $1.18 will be a good entry for ape. If we didn't hold and we broke the $1.18, I suggest to be on the sideline and wait until we go near the 64 accumulation area for entry because it would be really risky and continuation for this panic selling. So this is the strategy. First support, confirmation for a reversal and a huge pump over the $2 is holding over this ascending channel. The second signal, waiting until we have a confirmation for a reversal from the $1.18. Holding here will be a good entry for a break from the $2. So the $2 is the major level for ape to have a squeeze like AMC if we broke from it next week. So I will watch the $2, $1.18 as a support for the next week price action. I'm not talking about 2 weeks. I'm not talking about 3 years. Here we talk about at least 1 week, few days, because when you go in a big picture, there's a lot of things going on. Like the fundamental, we can control, like the weather. You want to predict the weather after, let's say, 2 weeks. The prediction will be less accurate when you go further in the future. So the same here with trading. Because if you go in the future further, there's a lot of things that we can control. There's a lot of factors come to play that will affect the technical. So the smaller picture is better because we have more prediction accuracy. Of course, we're gonna do update for Ape and AMC, especially for tomorrow in pre-market and our Discord, because we always do pre-market update, watch list on our Discord and our Patreon, because we always do pre-market update and chart analysis update after each live streaming. You see here we did last time for GFAI, CAI, swing trade as well, and our live streaming on YouTube, of course, each day around 3 p.m. CET. So stay tuned for those updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.